Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily perform a speed test on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings and now go to network. Here we need to be connected to a network before starting our speed test, so we need to click on scan wireless networks, then join a network. The tutorials on our channel on how to do that. Now here we need to go to internet speed test, and basically those results are very inaccurate. As you guys can see, they're very inaccurate because it said 13 megabits per second and now it's 14. And when I would check that on my phone, then it would be around 200 or 300 without a problem because it's Wi-Fi and not the Ethernet. So this is how you guys can do that. If you got the internet plugged in the Ethernet cable, then the results may be better, but I don't really think they're trustworthy. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.